Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do an Ipsy unboxing. I love these pink envelope that comes once a month. This is a $10 subscription and what you get are 5 different makeup products delivered to your house every month. $10 including shipping for the States, and it always includes a cute makeup bag. So the bag is always different, but always have been really cute. So this one is no different. It is a vinyl bag with a cute gold zipper that says Ipsy on it. And then in it are 5 different products. And they are usually sample size. Sometimes they're bigger, but this is an ink velvet lip tint. And it looks like it's in the color Peri Pura. I don't know. Oh no, it's Peri Pura Ink Velvet in the color number 9, Love Sniper Red. So there's the color, which actually looks like a color I would like. I don't know how to open this little box. It's really cute though. Looks like a little purse. Oh my goodness. Look how cute. Ink Velvet. Oh my goodness. I'm going to do just a little. I'm putting it on because I actually don't have lipstick on today. Yet today. I have a mirror over on that wall so I can see myself a little bit. I mean, it's kind of far away, but it looks like it's a little bit bright, but it might be all right. Huh, lip tint. Oh, I didn't even read the directions. Lightly apply for gradient lips or fully apply for fuller looking. Dot the inner part of your lips and bring your lips together to blend. Oh, I didn't do that. Oh well. I might like it though. That's kind of cute. I expected it to be a little dropper, and I was surprised to see it was a little, and I just did a different unboxing, and you'll have to stay tuned for that or already catch it on the video. And it's cute little glittery stuff. So pardon my glittery hands, but I'm loving them. Ooh, yay! Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Perfect Curl Miracle Cream, Intense Moisture to defrizz curls. Defrizz curls. After shampooing, apply from roots to ends, leave on for 1 to 3 minutes, and then rinse. And so this is like a conditioner, and I love me some curly whatevers I can get. And I've used his stuff before, and I really like them. I have a spray, and I think I have a cream that I use, but I've never used the miracle treatment, so that will be nice to try. My hair gets so dry in the winter anyway. Blush Crush from Lottie of London. Powder blusher. And it looks like this is in the color Zac, maybe? I think it is. Oh, goodness. Oh, I kind of like that too. I'm going to put some of that on. Take my glasses off. I'll just be wearing all this time. I don't usually do that. But I usually also have my face done when I'm doing these. But this happens to be in the morning and I am off today. So I didn't put any real makeup on this morning. I think a little bit of that goes a long way, so I am definitely rubbing it in from what I can see in the mirror. But yeah, it's nice. So that's that. Okay, let's see, what else do I have here? Foiled again. Foil eyeshadow from The Balm that says The Balm Girl Catches Your Eye. How cool. This packaging is neat. and it's in the color Cahoots. And now this is a color that I will like. Very nice. I love that. Oh, absolutely love that. Yay. Ooh, what's this one? Looks like maybe nail polish. Yes, Nail Sink London, and this is the color Montpellier, I can't say it, I don't know, something walk. I know the word, but I can't come up with it, and I can't seem to say it in my head, because I know it doesn't sound like it looks like it would sound. Montpellier walk, I don't know, but it's pretty. It's a very neutral, even color. And is that everything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So let's see what it says. Happy Friendsgiving. Say what you're thankful for in 5 emojis and go. And then they did that. That's only 4. There's no emoji for highlighter. Okay, so that's that. So this is what I got in my Ipsy bag for November. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. And yay. Bye-bye. I forgot to mention, let's see how this, well, it does move a little bit, but it's not horrible. It definitely stains. I mean, it like stains the skin, or it would stain your lips. So yeah, I mean, it's not horrible. And I will take a picture of myself so you can see what it looks like on me. And I'm actually going to put some of this on as well, so you can see all of that. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.